Today we're going to be installing some HIDs in this Ford here. It's pretty simple, straightforward, but it might be kind of hard to do for somebody new to the HID scene. First thing you want to do is either be able to get to your headlights. This side you can get to, this side you can't, so it's best to remove the headlight. Makes it easier. On these Fords you just pull up on these, just like so. I guess I've done got it up.
Oh yeah, you probably do.
I probably do. Then you take your headlight out. If it's all the way out.
Yeah, that should be all the way out.
Yeah, it should be.
Now,
we thought we got it all the way out, folks. Good thing I ain't live streaming this.
that'd be bad, wouldn't it?
Oh, not really. People probably giving us comments on how to take out the headlight.
Well, James, it's stuck.
Yes. It's about out.
Probably have to have like a, because them are out. Them are. There it comes. There we go.
Almost was a dirty girl, wasn't she? Well, you can go ahead and untwist this if you got a Ford or have your bulb comes out.
Yeah, I just broke that. Oh well, that's just for the. There it is. It's out.
Be gentle, because you can break stuff. And get somebody to help you if you're filming. Okay, that's the old bulb. We don't need this no more. You can put it up, save for a spare, in case one of your boosters go bad or something. Here you go. Now the next step is to get your HID kit. Go ahead and install your bulb, and try not to touch the bulb itself and get oil on it. Now I ain't never had a problem with it, but some people do. And go ahead and install it in your headlight.
There we go. Now it's in the groove. Oh, it was. There it is.
No, it's not down.
You gotta keep twisting it. It should be.
It's not down till it's down. There it is.
Nope, nope.
Hard to do one-handed, folks. We let Matt find it.
Also, guys, it's snowing out here. Lovely.
It's snowing. Putting HIDs in the snow. Rollback seaming covered. Both of them. Find it? Find it? Here.
Thought I did.
My
hands are so cold I can't.
Here you go. Hold this. Right here. Anybody sends you photos, just don't look at them. Might be nudes. Now once you get it in the groove, you want to feed all this junk down through this. Well, go ahead and feed it through. Whoa, kitty.
And there we got a cat.
What a video.
Wow. Here in Kentucky, see, we got cats as mechanics.
It'd be nice if I didn't put that on backwards.
Ah, baby.
If Cats was a crackhead, he'd be a spokesperson. Oh, look at that. It was right the first time.
Yep.
twist it on once you figure out how it goes. Yeah, don't go like that.
Oh.
Let's see.
You know what the weird part is, James? The other side we didn't take out. Look how easy it was.
Huh?
That's the other side we didn't even take out. Look how easy it was.
I know that. What a video.
All the old mat stuff, right?
Yeah. Holy shit. The other side done. Look at us. We're fighting with this side.
Boom.
Boom.
Voila.
Okay. Once you get your amp out, this section right here plugs into here just like so. So just go ahead and plug it in. Make sure it don't bend the tabs that's in there, because you can. You got 2 tabs for the chaotic video. And just go ahead and plug it in. There you go. Make sure this is plus, make sure this is minus. Red is hot, and black is ground. You should have it. Next is figuring out where your plug-in goes. Now I done about know where this goes because we done did the other side, so I'm cheating. But you don't want to install this just at this minute. Okay, kitty. Then you go. Anyhow, what you want to do, here Matt, hold the light. And if you got 2 hands, it's easier. Right now I got 3 hands. One's tied up. And you want to find which plug is what. The middle on this is the ground. You can find a wiring diagram for it, but I usually just stick stuff in there. And it works out just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I don't have these mashed all the way in case I need to flip these 2 around for high and low, because these HRDs is actually dual bulb and they're a little bit different than the regular ones, but these has got a high and low. Once you get that, you want to plug these in and then check your headlights and make sure they on the, you know, they on what they supposed to be. High ain't on low and low ain't on high, basically. Nothing. Oh, that's low or high?
That was high, baby.
That's high? Hold on. That's high.
No, that was low beam.
Okay, high beam.
That's high beam right there.
That's high beam?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, that being high beam, I need to unplug this and this one and flip them around. Here you go, Matt. Hold the camera right here.
Okay.
So the folks on the big internet can watch us. And you just want to pull these out. Pull the wrong one out, but you get my drift, folks. And go ahead and snap them in all the way that you don't know the way they're supposed to be. Let's see.
There it is.
Yep, that's high beam.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta love HIDs, folks. That's a crackhead of a cat coming back. Okay, cycle through. Dim and high. We're good to go. Now, folks, they do come with somewhat instructions. Check them out too. It might be a little bit more helpful, but hopefully you get the gist. Now you can reinstall your lights, and you want to put your amp somewhere mounted or out of the way. What we're going to do with these amps is they have, well, if I hold the camera, so what you want to do is put your amp out of the way. You got zip ties. You can use 2-sided tape or just lay it out of the way. What we usually do is just cram them out of the way when nobody sees them. Just like so. Feed all your mess of your wires and stuff through there. And then we install your headlight.
This is always the fun part. slide ain't in. Might have to pull that up, that tip.
Feels in.
Yeah, this one. It's off balance.
Oh yeah, it's that thing in yet, is it? Wait, what? No, that won't come out. Just be a man, smack them. You hear me? Ow! Smack it now. Hammer.
Yeah, definitely.
Walk. Guys, you shouldn't have to go through trouble like this, but we're just doing this because it's our own personal vehicle. Don't use the lock at home. And you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button.
Why ain't that going down?
Try it now.
Well,
It's not in. Oh, shit. The HIDs are installed and in now. Didn't have to use a big lock. Low beam is on. High beam's on. These headlights will be beautiful once it gets nighttime. And as you can see, we did this in the snow. Very good video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. Leave a comment what brought you to this video and what you're working on in the description below. Or in the comment section below, and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. See more videos like this, how-to, helpful videos, and I'll see you on the next video. Toodles.